the computer of the internet, the future of computing on the internet, or ICP, Internet Computer. Wow, guys, this is an absolutely beautiful project. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Today we are going to be diving deep into this project. Haven't spoken about this project in about 6 months now. So we are going to go and talk about this project on today's video, and we are going to have a lot of fun and see what this project can do for us. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I love the project, and basically what I saw yesterday when I did an incredible video for you in the gaming sector, that'll be launched tomorrow afternoon. When you see this video, that'll be yesterday afternoon. So basically, go watch that video, check this video out after that, and then you will see exactly what it is that I'm about to show you. Thank you for being here with me. I'm Kiara Ducasse, and let's dive right into this project. So today we're going to be speaking about Internet Computer, or ICP. Has an incredibly beautiful infinity rainbow logo, rank 32, currently sitting at a small, simple $3.60, and basically 6.1% up today. BTC 4% up on 115,000 people's watch list, $1.6 billion market cap, 31 million in trading volume, $1.7 billion in fully diluted valuation, and then an incredible 441.6 million coins in circulation, 503 total supply million, and maximum supply 469 million. So you can see most of the coins are actually in circulation already, which is a very, very good sign already. Now we know that we have already seen so much information on the ICP and what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried. So guys, you can see that this was all the way up here, up at $700.65, and we are down 99.49%. So whether you're buying it at $5 or $3, it doesn't really make a difference. I don't know if it'll ever reach that all-time high again. I really hope it does. I think that would be incredible. And maybe it will, because we're going to have a look in this video exactly what to look out for this project and why we think that this project could do even more insane than the project I spoke about in yesterday's video, which is Gala Games, of course, because you guys would have seen that by now. But with that being said, we're up from its lowest point ever at $3.30, 9.16. So why would you not buy it at its lowest point ever, guys? That's the most insane thing that I've ever heard if you don't want to buy this coin at this low. So now, with that being said, if you guys want to go ahead and use my link, my Bitflex and my Bybit link down below, you can go ahead and use them, and you can go ahead and get these coins on those exchanges and get yourself an absolutely incredible powerful project. So if we had to invest $10, you get 2.7. If you had to invest 100, you get 27.7. If you had to invest 1,000, you get 277. If you had to invest 10,000, you get 2,777 coin. Keep that in mind when I talk to you, because if you had to times that by the all-time high, okay, you would have insane numbers there. But we'll go and have a little look, okay, because in order for us to get back all the way up there, that's going to be pretty insane. So what is ICP? So ICP is Internet Computer, or Internet Computer built on the network. It's a sovereign enterprise on Cloud 3.0. It's open internet services from Web3 and decentralized autonomous organizations, and it has internet identity, which is Web3 ID, which is going to make Web3 and gaming and Internet Computer a whole lot more safer for people to use crypto. Autonomous cloud from a public network. So public basically helps run the block, and we'll go and talk about that as well. But blocks that have been processed, 2.3 trillion just about, with 36 parallel subnets and 37.2 megabytes blocked throughout this capacity. That's tiny. That's less than the video that I'm about to upload for you guys. So ETH equivalent transactions, you can see there, that's the ETH equivalent transactions. 4,300 odd transactions per second. And then the cost per instruction. So the instruction is a transaction basically. And basically this is one of the cheapest I've ever, in fact, this is the cheapest I've ever seen at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 zeros, 5, 3, 6. 44,760,000 x less expensive than Ethereum. Each transaction is that. So smart contract data for $1. So memory is $5 per gigabyte per year. That's insane, guys. This stuff is cheap. Each canister smart contract running on ICP can make 64 gigs of persistent memory pages available in its bytecode. Orthogonal persistence allows data structures to be used like the database. AWS rivaling efficiency, so ICP transaction executes 6,660,000 instructions compared to ETH's 83,000, while each instruction is orders of magnitude less expensive due to ICP's efficiency. So you can go and check out their dashboard. I want to go and see the comparison of layer 1 blockchains. We'll go and have a look at that now. But if you want to go and download the ICP presentation, you can go and have a look. You want to download a presentation for Internet ID, you go and download that there. Today, blockchain hosts tokens, but only tiny amounts compute. So ICP is a computing token. Tomorrow, blockchain will be an autonomous cloud and rival traditional IT. In the future, public everything stack will eat cloud and smart contracts will eat software. Enterprise will be unstoppable and Web3 will run autonomously under DAO control. It's already happening at scale on the internet computer, which is powering a blockchain singularity. So you can join the movement. These are beautiful, beautiful abilities of, let's go and see the internet capabilities. Community stories. OpenChat raised 1 million ICP in 6 hours. Okay, so OpenChat is an early open internet service, and SNS DAO assumed control of its smart contracts and swapped ICP for its governance tokens, placing its community in control and creating a powerful community treasury, which is incredible. So what is that? World computing capabilities, so web experience, serve web directly from smart contracts, connect Web 2 and Web 3 without oracles. So you wouldn't need Chainlink if you had this, then basically is what it's saying. So very interesting, right? So you can connect Twitter, email, IoT, SMS, trading on Coinbase's exchanges, as well as stock exchanges, guys. This is crazy. Internet identity, Web3 authorization using Web3 authn. Breakthrough performance, 200 milliseconds get query cells, 1.1 million query calls, 1 to 2 seconds reach finality, 20,800 update calls. First Googleable smart contracts in the world. Okay, so you can now Google this smart contract, and 100% on-chain. There's no cloud. Reverse gas model. So reverse gas model, I actually haven't even heard of this. So what is this? One of the major hurdles to blockchain adoption for end users is having to buy and hold tokens to interact with the blockchain to pay for gas fees. The internet computer has been designed with mass adoption in mind from the ground up. Developers charge up their small contracts with cycles, the IC analog on to gas, so users don't have to pay when interacting with the smart contracts. Very, very cool. Integrating chains, no more bridges. Hackers have stolen hundreds of millions of dollars by exploiting bridges. The internet computer uses advanced cryptography to directly integrate with other blockchains without using bridges. Native Bitcoin smart contracts, extending Ethereum, chain key transactions, democracy on the blockchain, the brain of the internet computer, and you can add or remove, stake your ICP and earn voting rewards. Turn any Web3 service into a DAO. Cool protocol stuff, so huge stuff that's taking on. And take a tech dive, guys. This project is crazy, and if you guys are not invested in this project, I don't know what you're thinking. But basically, this is an L1 comparison, so base comparison. So let's go and have a look. The metrics of the coins, the L1s. So ICP, average MIEPs, 20,000, okay? Average TPS, 5,382. Average finality, 1.4 seconds. Average block time in seconds. Average transaction cost. And as you can see there, it's literally pummeling all of them. Maybe not Solana so much. Actually, yeah, it's pummeling Solana. Average energy consumption, the lowest. Size of network nodes, tiny. Not the smallest, but tiny. The smallest is near. And then on-chain storage cost per 1 gig data, $5 per 1 gig. And then Avalanche was 206. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow. This is actually making me love this project even more now that I'm really reading up on this once again. So, stable transaction cost, yes. HTTPS call outcalls, yes. Look at this information. Active repositories, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Smart contract language support, Motoko, Rust, TypeScript, and Python. Jeez, guys. This is a great project. Hey, what do you guys think down below? Metrics. So what is this one? Comparing user experience. ICP privacy preserving authentication. So not only is this coin private, I mean, none of these other coins are private. So that's interesting. I might dump all of these and buy ICP, right? Prerequisites to use. You just need a browser. Staking ratio, 74%. Monthly active wallets, 93K. So it's the smallest out of the lot, which means that it probably has one of the biggest potentials to for the upside. So now you can see here, if you want to go and follow them, DeFi on True Web 3. These are social portals, community airdrops, crypto tipping on chain, which is incredible. District, Mora, Funded, Yumi, Plethora, Cubetopia, Connect, Hot or Not, Tagger, and Catalyze. So huge stuff happening. Disruptions in motion, sovereign hardware. The internet runs on routing devices. Bitcoin runs on proof of work mining rigs. The internet computer runs on node machines, or POUW. Wiki explanation of proof of useful work is what this is. Okay, so it's an intelligent blockchain, Web2 compatible, multi-chain, transparently sustainable blockchain, scalability and utility with low carbon costs. The internet computer is committed to building green tech, not just making claims about it. Exactly. Very, very good point. So become a Web3 pioneer. If you want to go and build on here, you can go and do that ahead. The blockchain industry skunkworks. Okay. Huge, huge members. If you want to go and sign up and stay tuned, then go ahead. Go and check them out on their social media pages as well. This is an incredible project, guys. I don't think I actually need to go and show you too much more about this, but I do want to go and show you something here from their Twitter page. Okay. So Definity is the company that actually runs ICP, and basically ICP is being helped. So 2 years from ICP's groundbreaking beginnings to its global impact, get ready to be inspired by resilience, innovation, and endless possibilities of the world computer. The time for the internet computer is now. Dominic W. walks us through the ICP adventures. So you can go ahead and have a look at this video. Maybe I'll actually show it to you in a short little moment. But yeah, Dominic Williams is absolutely amazing there. And you can see that this is a huge, huge, powerful community project. So I want to go and show you my crypto bubbles. Okay, so you can see ICP is here. ICP is one of the biggest gainers today against Bitcoin. These are Bitcoin bubbles, as you can see up here. Now, I see, so Definity, this is the Definity Foundation, is a major contributor to the Internet Computer blockchain. So if you want to go and have a look, we are a Swiss-based not-for-profit organization with the largest R&D team in blockchain. 1,600 plus employee publications, 100K plus citations, 250 employee patents, and these are all of the team leaders basically, and there are so many more. So you can see the full team down here if you want to go and have a look. Very, very cool project, I must say, guys. Incredible project. Now, with that being said, let's go and have a little look at some of the TA. And if you guys are enjoying this content so far, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and please hit that notification bell for us on the channel so that you know when this video gets released. Now, this chart on Binance basically says that this was all the way up at 2,837. So that's where it once was, but I think SBF actually pummeled this project to smithereens when he literally stole lots and lots and lots and lots from this project. He dumped the coin, did all kinds of things, nasty things to these people. So, guys, ICP doesn't deserve this, and obviously he didn't want ICP to become one of the top players in the crypto space. Now, I haven't updated this chart for you just yet, but I do want to go and show you something, considering that we are here, of course, and that's what I'm here to do. But basically, as you can see, we've reached a new bottom on this chart. And I would say that this is now the new bottom on the chart. So there is no other previous bottom. So there's no data below any of this. Okay. But if I have to have a look at this, we are making somewhat lower lows, okay? But if you see the pattern, it's a descending triangle, which is actually a very, very bullish pattern. And if you look at the RSI, you can see that the RSI on the weekly, this is the weekly chart, is coming down to the bottom. Some good buy volume coming up. We're finding some good support here. We did find incredible support over here, even though we broke this candle down, closed slightly below here. You can see there, we closed slightly below all of these candles here. So this candle this week has not closed below. So I'd like to see this candle come up above this box, at the very least, and try to make its way back up to the top side over here. Okay. At this point, that will probably be a lot. Guys, honestly, anywhere in this zone is probably a very, very good accumulation point. Okay. So don't worry about where you're at. Just DCA into this position. I would like to know, do you own any ICP? And if you do, what are your personal accumulation goals? Let me know down in the comments below. And so basically, as you can see here, we're making a huge pump to this side, maybe a retest back here before a pump, a retest, because you can see there's a lot of overhead resistance above us, okay? Then a pump kind of like this. So I think it's going to take ICP a very long time to get itself to where it needs to be. But in saying that, you can see that we may, of course, do something like this, and then eventually come and hit this target of, let's call it $10 up here, $9.50. Okay, that's the target, I would say, $9.50. So let us go and just put a horizontal ray here so that you guys can see that that would be the target at $9.80. Actually, look how perfectly that aligns there. So if you were to go ahead and get into a position right now and wait patiently for it to go all the way up here, that would be 173% gain on your money, or a 1.7x gain, right? That's pretty juicy. What would you say? Now, the next level on ICP is within this region up here. I'm going to say that a fair region would probably be about $20. Yeah, about $19.80. Okay. So if we were to take a trade from where we are right now and hit up to the $19.80 level, okay, that would give us a 500, and so call it the $20 because that's a level. 537% gains, guys. That's massive. That's a 5.3x gain on your coin. Now, even more resistance up here. So I'm going to draw the horizontal ray lines where I believe that this coin is probably going to be coming to in the next short little whiles. Okay, so there is going to be some pit stops here along these levels. Okay, so you can see there, $53, that nice top one. And then here, one more up here, and that is going to be up there at $80. Now, if we had to go up to the $80, that's before this crazy drop. So $80 would give us from where we currently are a huge 1,863% gain. I think $80 is a reasonable price to start off on this coin. And just now, when we go into I'm going to give an outrageous explanation of the potential price action on this coin. So $80 would be my target on this beautiful project. And let us now go and have a look here. Before I do that, let's go and show you what $700, because there's the $700 level, right? Where's the $700 level? The $700 level is where it said it was. So there's the $700 level. So if we were to ever hit the presumed on the exchange all-time highs, that would give us a crazy 20,000% pump. But if we were to go all the way up to this $4,000 level, $3,000 level, guys, that would be a 14,000% pump. Would you like to have 14,000% on ICP? I would. I definitely would. So huge potential gains here. But as you can see, I have now my fundamental lines. We've got a long way to go from where we are. We're all the way down at the lowest point of this coin that this coin has ever been, and that is okay. And I'm going to show you something else here very, very quickly, because right now on the weekly RSI, we are also making lower highs as well as this, which tells me that once this is reset and it kind of does something like that, we are in for a very, very good pump here, guys. And I have no doubt that it's at least going to come up to the $7.50 price. Okay, so Sure. Power pump. Okay, let's go and have a look now. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being here with me today. I really do appreciate it. We're going to have a little look at price predictions. So if we were to hit an $80, let's go and do this maths a little bit of a different way today. So $80 divided by 3.6, okay, gives us a 22x gain. Could it reach $80? I'm pretty confident that it could reach $80. But before I go and show you the actual price prediction that I really want to give you, I just want to give you some perspective, because on my gala video yesterday, I showed you guys that the total crypto market cap would reach, for gaming, would reach 583 billion. Now, I need you to have a look at this quickly, okay? So the total gaming, top gaming coins by market cap is worth 7.7 billion in the crypto space right now, with ICP being number one, just by the way, out of all of them, and having about 22% of the entire market cap, right, of this entire 7.7 billion. And we're sitting at 1.6 billion, and the next down is IMX, then Sandbox, then Axie, then Ape, then Gala, okay? Then Illuvium, then Engine, guys. So these are the top 10 coins here. Now, this one is already obliterating number 2 by like 3x, just over 2x, 2.5x. So I just want to show you that $7.7 billion dollars, excuse me, 7.7 billion, not trillion, $7.7 billion is only a fraction of what this is depicting this to be right now, which they're saying it might only reach about 242 billion. But that is misinformation, this, because I want to go and show you something. And now, bearing in mind, okay, that there's companies, 7,800 companies with a total market cap of 91.6 trillion. The largest video gaming companies by market cap are 231 companies, and the total market cap in this space is about $3.45 trillion. Okay, this is more accurate. However, Microsoft, we know, is not only gaming, but have invested lots into gaming projects, including the likes of Minecraft and all of those kinds of things, and investing in many more other companies as well that own crypto assets. Now, this makes up for about 2.5 trillion, which is about 66% of the entire video market cap game. Then Tencent is coming in at second place with a market cap of $400 billion. Now, Tencent is coming in hard and fast, and Microsoft better watch out, because Tencent is coming to chew up and spit them out. Okay, so look at all of these companies. Sony, you guys know these companies, right? Sony, 101 billion. Activation Blizzard, 72 billion. NetEase, Nintendo. Guys, these are tiny market caps. Capcom, there, you know, there's Capcom. What's Capcom? Street Fighter. Yeah. Unity, you guys know Unity. You guys know Bandai. You know Nexon. You know Krafton. You know Square. You know Sega. You know Kingsnet. Gbits. Ubisoft, guys. Ubisoft is $3.8 billion. Now, with that being said, bearing in mind that this market is very, very down at the moment, and we are in a bear market, that is going to tell us what the next market moves are going to be. Now, with a $3.4 trillion market cap, and bearing in mind if we had to remove that, it'd probably be a $1 trillion market cap on its own. Now, ICP, I think ICP could do a huge gain on this. So if we had to go and times the market cap, 1.6 billion, I'm just going to round it off, 1.6 billion, okay, we would have a $35.5 billion market cap for ICP. Now, if ICP is going to be one of the biggest gaming GameFi coins, plus also it does everything that it said it's going to do, plus it holds privacy, plus it's carbon free, plus it's faster than all the other blockchains, plus it's integrating Web 2, Web 3, plus it's integrating all of our social media platforms, guys, I just went through all of that with you. You guys know exactly what this project is going to do and the potential behind this project. I don't know if it will ever hit the charts, this chart of 3,000 on the high, or even if it will hit back up here to the $700. But if it had to go back up to the all-time high of $700, I would like to or the all-time high on CoinGecko, I would like to go and see what that would potentially give us in terms of so that would give us a potential of a 194.4x gain on your crypto, or on your capital. Then if you had to times that by the market cap, okay, that would give us a $360 $311 billion market cap. Now, if I love these numbers, the threes and the ones, the three and the ones. $311 billion market cap to go up to its all-time high. Guys, I think ICP could probably do that in the future, and that will give us a 200x gain on this coin at the very, 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 very least. So, sure. I mean, 311 billion would kind of take us up to 10-cent level. It would push that gaming, but it's not only gaming. Please remember that. And here's EA, which is at 32 billion. So it's not only gaming. It does a whole lot of other stuff that these companies don't do. Maybe Microsoft is the closest one that it does do stuff to. But yeah, guys, this is crazy. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think ICP could go back to its all-time high at $700? Or what do you think down in the comments below? I would love to know from my community. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It was a little bit of a longer video, but as you can see, ICP is a huge project that has a lot of information to share with you guys. So thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss Show once again. And if you guys want to trade ICP with me, I'm literally going to go and buy myself some ICP now because that made me very, very excited and very, very happy. So thanks for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss channel. Go check out my Bitflex and my Bybit link down below so you can trade with me, and let's go and have some fun. And guys, you will see this video on Saturday afternoon. Today is Thursday afternoon. So you're getting to see this video 2 days after I've done this. And today, this afternoon, which is Thursday, you will see the save video that I did, and I went and bought myself some say yesterday. So thanks for being here with me, my special crypto community, and love you all. Make sure to watch this one because this one is even crazier than this one. I don't know about that, but it was. Thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one. Bless it all.